Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can turn videos into a live photo on Prequel. So I opened up my video on Prequel and you can add in effects here if you'd like. Before you are going to turn it into a live photo, you can do that first. Let's say this one, for instance. And then you are going to go to next and wait for the video to export. And then you are going to just select save as live photo, and it's going to be saved to your camera roll as a live photo. Now you can make it as your wallpaper if you'd like a live photo wallpaper. But that's basically how you can turn a video to a live photo on Prequel. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!